Welcome back, Crammers, to question 27. The diagram shows triangle ABP inside the regular hexagon. Work out the size of angle PAF, which is here. Give your answer correct to three significant figures. Hey, first off, before we do anything, we write down the values given. So A to B is 5 centimeters, and B to P is 2 centimeters. Angle ABP is 90 degrees, which is already given. Now, if we're able to find the sum of all the interior angles, see here angle F would be congruent to angle A, we can then subtract the angle inside the triangle to find this angle. Let's do that. The sum of all interior angles is 180 times n minus 2. N being the number of sides. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 180 times 6 minus 2 is simply 180 times 4. So sum of all the interior angles should be given 180 times 180 times 4 is 720. 720. But this is the sum of all the interior angles. We're trying to find a single angle. So we count all the angles. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we simply divide by 6. So 720 divided by 6 gives us 120. So what does that mean? Okay, well, here we can see that this whole angle is 120. If we can find this angle within the triangle and subtract that from 120, we can find what angle PAF is. So, first off, I can see we have a right angle triangle, which is given to us as the base being 5 and BP being 2. Since it's a right angle, we can actually use Pythagoras theorem. 2 square plus 5 square is equal to PA. So we can find this out as square root of 2 square plus 5 square is equal to root 29. Root 29. And now we can use something called the sine rule in order to find this angle. We can see that sine 90, which goes to root 29, must be equal to sine, let's call this angle y, to 2. So if we simplify, we get y is equal to sine inverse of 2 sine 90 divided by root 29. Okay, let's find that out using our calculator. Sine inverse of 2 sine 90 over root 29, close the bracket, we get 21.8. Y is equal to 21.8. Now, 120 minus y will give us our angle PAF. So, 120 minus 21.8 gives us 120 minus 21.8 gives us 98.19. 98.19, and we have to write correct to three significant figures. So here we look at the figure after the third figure, which is 9, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any value between 5 to 9 we round up, 1 to 4 we round down, and since it's 9 we simply round up to 2, and it is now 98.2 degrees. And that is your final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.